Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Do you want to find your top 5 cells in Excel in just a few clicks? I have got a quick tip for you today. That's going to make it super easy. Okay, let's jump right in. First, let's select all of our data. Just press Ctrl A. Now go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Pivot tables are fantastic for finding insights like our top 5 cells. In the dialog box, select existing worksheet and pick the location where you want your table to appear. Now hit OK and we are ready to set it up. Now in the pivot table fields, drag cells into the values field, then drag name into the rows field. Next, go to the row levels dropdown in your pivot table and let's add a quick filter. Click on value filters. Go to top 10. A little tweak here, change 10 to 5, we want the top 5. Then hit OK and there it is. Your top 5 cells are displayed instantly in your pivot table. Quick, right? Give this method a try and let me know in the comments if it helped. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thank you.